Hi team, this is Naveen Nanjandappa from 12 Principles Consulting. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Now we have reached over 1000 subscribers. Today we are going to talk about the release strategy. Release strategy is basically a plan by the product owner for managing their product. Release physically means the handover of the product to the users. So release strategy is a plan how, what, when you give your product to your users. And predominantly there are two different thoughts in which the product can be handed over to the users. The first one is the time-based release and the second one a scope-based release. In a time-based release, you basically focus on the time when you want to give it to the user. In a scope-based release, you focus on the scope, what part of it, what you want to give to the customer. So in time-based release, we have two types of thoughts, fixed time release, and in fixed time release, there is a regular cadence. So you have a fixed date, fixed time release, and a regular cadence release. A fixed time release is something like you have your birthday on 16th of December and you want to release your product on your birthday with a big bang function. Date is fixed. So you focus on date so that you can deliver or give your product to your user on that specific day with a big bang function. On the other hand, regular cadence is also a fixed time release, but here there is a fixed cadence that comes in. Example, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and so on. It is up to the product owner to decide which strategy is appropriate for delivering the value to the users. You may have 2-week sprint and deliver on a daily basis or on a quarterly basis. Basically, we need to focus on how quickly we can deliver the functionalities to your user and they get a value. But strategies differ from company to company, project to project. And it is solely the responsibility of the product owner. The other type of release is the scope focused, in which the product owner might say, we're going to focus on releasing 75 functionalities or features. The product is handed over, given to the users only when all the 75 features are 100% complete. In this, even if 74 features are 100% complete, you wouldn't release because your strategy is to release it only after 75, 100% complete. So now the product owner decides whether to give the product to the users on a fixed date or regular cadence or on a scope focused, on a fixed scope. In all cases, there are other strategies that can also come in with a variation of scope, time, cost, and quality of the product. You want to know more about this? Please join us for the CSPO class. In Certified Scrum Product Owner, the CSPO training, I focus more on the strategies that product owner could use and moreover talking about when to use these strategies. If you have any questions related to the release strategy, please do post it as a comment below and I will try to answer them. Thank you so much. If you have not still subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to hear more videos like this. Thank you.